Skills Test, Units 11 and 12. Exercise 3.
Usually, when people talk about the first people to achieve things, they talk about men. For example, we talk about the first man to walk on the moon, because, of course, no woman has been to the moon yet. But notice that we don't say the first person to do so. If we do talk about the first woman to do anything, it's usually when they've achieved something that men have already been doing for a long time. Well, in my presentation, I want to talk about women who achieved something first, and I really mean first, before men. There are many female inventors who you probably haven't heard of. Do you like ice cream? Then you can thank Nancy Johnson, who created the first ice cream maker in 1843. Do you enjoy driving? The inventor of the windshield wiper on a car, which makes it possible to drive in the rain, was a woman. That was Mary Anderson in 1902. So was the inventor of the coffee machine, Melletta Benz, in 1908, or the dishwasher. But some of these might seem like unimportant inventions. Let's take a look at some more serious things which have really changed all our lives. Top of my list is Ada Lovelace. She's not so famous, but she should be. She was a mathematician and the first person to work out how machines could be trained to solve maths problems if you gave them the right instructions, what we call algorithms. Basically, she was the first ever computer programmer in 1842, and without her, we wouldn't have any of the computers or smartphones we happily use today. However, her colleague, Charles Babbage, who developed the first ever computer machine, is much more famous today. In 1944, an American lady called Grace Hopper was working on a new type of computer. It was as big as a room, but it was one of the best in the world at that time. So as to use it properly, she invented a system in which words, normal written words, could be changed into a language that computers could understand. Yes, that's right. She invented the first computer language. She was the first ever coder. She even invented the word bug, which means a mistake in a computer code. Because of her work, other people went on to create the first modern computer program, COBOL, in the 1950s. Then there was Hedy Lamarr, the beautiful and well-known Hollywood actress who, in her spare time, invented a way to control torpedoes, bombs sent from ships or submarines, using only radio messages. Her work is behind today's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. If only these intelligent women were more famous for their inventions. Why is it that they haven't had the attention they deserve? Is it because men are better at taking all the attention for themselves? One thing is for sure, without a lot of very clever women, life would be so different for us today.